Hi everyone, it's Phil here, and I'm here to answer your exercise, nutrition, mindset, and weight loss questions in under 3 minutes. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. But before you do, let's check out today's question right now. Which exercise is best for belly fat? Good question, and one I'm sure every single trainer has heard before. So let me bore you with the exact same answer you'll hear every single time. You cannot spot reduce, meaning you can't do 1,000 sit-ups every single night and lose belly fat. Unfortunately, that's just not how it works. When you target a specific muscle or muscle groups during exercise, you will build and shape those muscles. However, it won't necessarily help you lose fat in that specific area. Instead, to lose fat, you must create a calorie deficit by burning off more calories than you consume. When you create this calorie deficit, it causes your body to use energy stored in your cells in the form of fat. When these cells are used for energy, they start to decrease in size, and as a result, the body gets smaller and fat. Okay, boring. I get it, especially when we start talking about cells and the processes of the body. But please pause this and read it, because it is very important, insightful, and highlights that your body uses energy from your whole body, not just the muscles that you are exercising. So while it might be a little disheartening to hear, it should also highlight to you that you can lose weight very effectively by creating a calorie deficit. Therefore, if you really want to lose belly fat, forget about one exercise as being the holy grail. Instead, you should 1. Incorporate a mix of cardio into your weekly exercise routine, including both high intensity cardio and low intensity cardio, so that you can increase your calorie expenditure to help you to create a calorie deficit. 2. Incorporate strength training into your weekly exercise routine so that when you lose body fat, your muscles will be more defined, making you appear leaner, along with speeding up your metabolism, of course. And 3, follow a healthy eating meal plan that puts you in a calorie deficit. It is the most important key of all. Now, if you do all 3 of these consistently, then you would definitely lose belly fat. So there you have it. That is my answer for today's question. I really hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. And last but not least, if you want to take out all of the guesswork and have exercise programs, meal plans, and recipes to follow, make sure you come to philhartson.com and you will find everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.